Welcome to the ChildWatch CACFP ePos app, or Electronic Point of Service app. The ePos app is used to simplify meal and attendance capture for the CACFP. It works on or offline and helps to reduce fraud by limiting capture to a meal's start and stop time. Staff log in using a PIN, select a room, and indicate received meals by touching each child's name or photo. Attendance only is tracked for those not eating or ineligible to receive the meal. Once all children have been set properly, the items are saved and staff can move on to the next room. When finished, log out to upload data to your account and secure the system. A single device can be used to capture meals for all rooms depending on your situation. Once meals are captured, they are available in real time in a Meal Service Record Report, or MSR. If at any point there is a disruption in internet service, the app will continue to function normally and will automatically sync with your account once back online.
Thanks for watching. We hope you have a better understanding of the features ChildWatch offers and how your business can benefit from it. Did you know we offer a full 60-day money-back guarantee? There's no risk but a little of your time. Try it today.